If you're like me, you have so many eyelets in your possession that you don't know what to do with them. So I've got a couple of ideas of how you can use a lot of eyelets all in one place and make it look really cool. As you take a look at this first card, you can see that there are eyelets lining all the way around this heart. And that's a really fun accent. It kind of reminds me of Valentine's Day with the scallop around the heart. So you can do all sorts of eyelets all in one shot, and it gives a lot of dimension and a fun look to the card. Another thing that you can do, if you can very carefully measure, you can create this fun look. If you look very closely, you can probably see it very well here. There are 3 eyelets in the card there, and then there are 3 here, and then those go back and forth so that then you could put the baker's twine or whatever you would like to put through there. Now, one of the things that's interesting about this is if you use a certain tool, you will be able to get all the way in to first punch the holes and then to set the eyelets as well. Let's take a look at how that works. On this small piece of green cardstock, you can see that I have punched some holes, and I've also set some green eyelets. Here I have some pencil marks of exactly where I want the next holes to go. Let me show you how that's done with this machine from We Are Memory Makers called the Big Bite. All right, now the first thing I'll need to do, I can see my pencil mark, and right here I'll show you there's a little thing that comes down to punch. So I line that up, I look to see where my pencil mark is and give it a good kerchunk. And then I'll do another one, kerchunk. So you can see here that I've punched a couple of holes, and by having the pencil marks there, that really gave me a great idea of where I needed to put my hole. Now, the next thing we're going to do is we're going to set the eyelet. And now I move this over so I can get to the setting for the eyelet setting. And I'm going to take my green eyelet and put it in one of the holes. Kind of got to get down and get personal here. You'll find there's a little thing that pokes down and helps to set the eyelet. So I get that right in the middle, give it a good kerchunk. All right, let's try that again. Here's a second eyelet. You put the eyelet in the hole. And then you find the little depressor, get it in the middle, and give it a good kerchunk. So there's how it looks to set the eyelets with the Big Bite. It really helps to get in deeply into a card or any sort of thing where you want to put your eyelets. So if you want to use a lot of eyelets all in one place, this is a great way to do that. Use all the same color, and it gives a great continuity. And if you want to make sure to get into deep places on your projects, the Big Bite is the tool for you to help you to get those eyelets set. Now it's your turn to go forth and create.